Imagine creating a professional portfolio website in minutes, without coding, and completely free. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to build, customize, and publish your own high-end website using AI. Stay with me until the end, because this method can completely change how you build online.
Now, open ChatGPT. Instead of asking it directly to create a website, use a structured prompt. I've already provided it in the description, so just copy and paste it. After pasting, ChatGPT will ask you for your details. Enter everything carefully: your name, profession, Gmail, skills, and project links. Make sure your email and links are correct. This is what makes your website look professional and trustworthy. For your projects, use the links you prepared earlier. Each project should have a title, a short description, and a working link. This is what separates a basic portfolio from a professional one. Now, take the generated prompt and improve it. Ask ChatGPT to make it more premium, cinematic, and professional. This improves the design, spacing, and overall quality. Then, go one step further and ask it to rewrite the prompt into a visually stunning high-end portfolio with modern typography and strong personal branding. This is the step that transforms your website into something impressive. Now, copy the final prompt. This is your complete website blueprint. Next, go to Lovable and sign up using your Gmail. Once you're inside, paste your prompt and generate your website. In just a few seconds, your portfolio will be created automatically. Now, review everything carefully: your name, your projects, your images, and your contact section. If something needs to be changed, you don't have to edit it manually. You can simply give the AI instructions. For example, if you want to update your email across the entire website, just tell the AI to replace all email references, update the contact form, and keep the design unchanged. It will handle everything automatically. You can also update your personal name across the entire website, including the hero section, navigation, footer, and even SEO metadata, while keeping the layout exactly the same. And if you want to update your projects or social media links, you can do that instantly as well. Just provide your new links and the AI will replace them everywhere, including buttons like View Project or Follow Me. This is the power of AI. You're not editing manually, you're giving clear instructions. Now your website looks good, but there's one last important step: fixing the contact form. When someone fills the form and clicks Send Message, it might not work by default. To fix this, we use Email.js. Go to Email.js and create a free account. Connect your Gmail as a service, then create an email template. After that, copy your service ID, template ID, and public API key. Now go back to Lovable and tell the AI to connect your contact form using these credentials. Make sure it sends messages to your email, works on all devices, and shows a confirmation message after submission. Once done, test your form by sending a message. If you receive it in your inbox, everything is working perfectly. Now it's time to publish your website. Click on Publish inside Lovable. Add your website title, a clean description, and a social preview image. You can upload your own image or generate one using ChatGPT. Once everything is ready, click Continue and then Publish. Now your website is live. You'll get a domain link that you can share with anyone: clients, friends, or on your social platforms. Click on your domain and open your live website. Scroll through your homepage. Your design looks clean and modern. Your projects are displayed professionally, and your personal brand is clear. Test your buttons.
You now have a complete professional portfolio website built using AI. This is more than just a website, it's your digital identity. If you want more videos on building online, using AI, and creating real opportunities, make sure to subscribe. Your next opportunity might be one video away.